Hey YouTube, back at it with the truck again. So what we got today is a headlight that keeps going in and out. So what I've got for supplies, these are just extra high bulbs. I've got these connectors. These are 906 connectors I bought for something. I can't remember what. Oh yeah, to try and hardwire fog lights. That's a whole nother subject. Then I've got these aftermarket 906 Sylvanias. So the problem I'm having is the light on this side, right down in there, will go in and out. It's low beam, high beam. High beams work fine, low beams don't. You can access it right behind this panel, right up in there. I've already tried to swap out the original bulb to the aftermarket Sylvanias, and it still has the issue of intermittent. When you plug it in, like a certain point of the connector, it'll turn on, it'll turn off. So I need to splice that connector. So I'm just going to take the factory bulb. Well, I'll use the aftermarket one. Aftermarket. Got the connector. Take it, and it should just pop in just like that, and then I should have a good connection. So that's what I'm going to do to fix my issue. Hopefully this will do it, and then I'll have a headlight. I don't have to jiggle around all the time. So I'm just going to do a quick little time lapse. What I really need to do is just get a new headlight, because these are all nasty. I've sanded them down and put some clear coat on them. But they've actually got a wiring harness that goes from there down to all the different parts, and then it plugs in down there. There's a plug down here that it connects to. So some of the headlight kits you can order has all those plugs to replace, and the headlight itself. So that's probably what I'll end up doing eventually, but right now I already have spare bulbs and I have the spare connectors. So let's go ahead and splice this thing in and see if we can, actually let me turn them on for you so I can see if I can let's see what it looks like. So there you got low beam, high beam, high beam, no low beam. Yeah, let's get the splicing. Alright guys, a little update. Turn these lights on. Low beam's on. And look at this plug. My little splice is working. This one's not. And that is because something in this plug is messed up. Guess I could just replace the plug, but I'm just going to splice it and move on. I don't care. It's kind of ghetto, but it is what it is. Alright, let's wrap this thing up. Alright guys, let's turn those lights on, turn those brights on, and see what we got. That side's good. And that side's good. Got our lights back. We got our lights back. Sweet. Everything's all buttoned up underneath on both sides too. A couple connectors, man, and we're back in business. So, yay for that. Yeah. Alright guys, appreciate you watching the video. Just a quick one. Something I had to do, you know, because I don't feel like getting pulled over, and I don't feel like spending $150 on getting new lights on this old girl. Alright, later.